يا محمد علي شيخ هذا لقمة دبار حسين شيخ أحمد ويري صعد هذه يعقوب ما تري إلهي وحي إلهي وحي محي بقدوه وباشا مركز إنه بحنا ورانا إنه وغيره تاسع يا عمتي هذا وحي نرجوك ضد مرتيا إنه قاعدين المسلمين هاينا خطبة إنه وادادري هذا كله وادادري مركز واحد استثنائي إلى المرتدى هرت إنه إياك سعودينه مركز إياك سعودينه ladies and gentlemen as we know ourselves we are Somalis we like to talk and we have to listen to our wisdoms like General Muhammad Ali Shire and we're very grateful for his words. By the way, General Muhammad Ali Shire is the only one among the last revolutionary government who is here in Columbus, Ohio. And as an individual, even though he was part of that military government and later resigned, he's one of the well-respected among those military generals. This time, I'm going to give the opportunity to all the guests for you not to stay here as long with us, because we might do a lot of blunders among ourselves, we might joke, we might dance, we don't want to keep you here. The first person that I will call for the occasion is Ms. Bran Shah, Senator, representative of ex-Senator Ray Miller. Please come to the microphone. Is that you?
Assalamu alaikum. I am deeply honored to have the opportunity to be with you here this evening. As has been said, I served in the General Assembly for 24 years, 16 years in the House of Representatives and 8 years as a member of the State Senate here in Ohio. I am now publishing, thank you, I'm now publishing a news journal, the Columbus African American News Journal. And we want to ensure that all communities have the opportunity to participate in the journal and have the opportunity to share in the information that we are disseminating. I am honored to be here because my good friend, Burhan Ahmed, invited me. And all of you know what a tremendous organizer Burhan is. When he comes to you and he asks if you will be present and if you will participate, it is virtually impossible for you to say no. And so my wife and I are very pleased to be with you this evening, particularly on this occasion that we celebrate the election of Dr. Abdiwali M. Ali Gaas as the Prime Minister of Somalia. All of you celebrated with African Americans, and not only celebrated, but participated in the election of our first African American president, Barack Obama. It was because not only African Americans and African Americans throughout our country, but it was Africans who understood the importance of electing Obama to the presidency of the United States of America. One word. I was told I had 5 minutes, and I think I can say what I have to say in the remaining 2 minutes. One word. Respect. One word. Respect. There are a lot of people who want to be liked. There are a lot of people who want to be liked. And that's a nice thing, to be liked. There are people who feel good about being liked. But being liked normally doesn't get you too much, other than a feel-good kind of a response. What you want to be is respected. You want to be respected. When you're respected, that means that an individual has appreciation for you as a person. They have appreciation for you and your history and your heritage. They have an appreciation for your culture. In fact, the extension of it is that they have a love for you when they fully respect you. Being liked is nice. But if you have an agenda that speaks to equality, if you have an agenda that speaks to justice, if you have an agenda that deals with the advancement of your people, you're not always going to be liked. But people will know that you're serious and they will respect you. And so what I have, brothers and sisters, is a deep respect for my people. And when I say my people, I'm not just talking about African Americans. I was born in Hampton, Virginia. I'm not just talking about Virginians. I'm not just talking about those from Hampton. When I say my people, I am talking about African people. African people. And so there's much that we can learn from you, as there is much that you can learn from us as African Americans. So we can learn from you more about family. We can learn more from you about entrepreneurship, about business development. And then you can learn more about us in terms of our struggle as I close in America. James Weldon Johnson wrote this about our anthem. And we love your anthem. Your anthem is inspiring. Your anthem has a wonderful rhythm to it. And so the Black National Anthem, written by James Weldon Johnson. James Weldon Johnson said this, and he said when he got to this verse, when he was writing it with his brother John Roseman, he said this: we African Americans have come over a way that with tears has been watered. We have come over a way, brothers and sisters, that with tears has been watered. We have come treading our path through the blood of the slaughter, out from the gloomy past. He's talking about out from Africa, out from the gloomy past, till now we stand at last, where the white gleam of our bright star is cast. Thank you so much and bless you.